Now that we've talked about rounding, let's do one practice problem. For this practice problem, we have 5.9 multiplied by 8.2. As we just discussed and learned, we look at the number directly after the decimal point, which will tell us what to round the number to the left of the decimal point to. So I'm going to see what the 9, I'm going to draw an arrow to indicate that this 9 is going to change this number by rounding. So we know from what we talked about in our roller coaster picture and example that we discussed that 9 raises any number up to a more number. So 5.9 would become 6. And then I'm going to bring my multiplication down. And for 8.2, we have 2. I'm going to draw an arrow to show that we're changing the 8. 2 would not increase 8 because 2 is below 4, because we know any numbers from 1 to 4, it stays the same, and from 5 and above, it increases the number. So we're going to leave this as an 8. So now we have a simpler problem to multiply that we could probably do in our head instead of doing on a calculator. We know 6 times 8 is 48.